In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group email in Gmail using just a few simple steps. Now, this process is straightforward, allowing you to manage your contacts efficiently and send group emails effortlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Gmail and log into your account. Once you're in, look towards the upper right corner and you will see a grid icon which represents Google Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This will expand to reveal a list of apps. In this list of Google Apps, you'll find Contacts. Clicking on Contacts will take you to a new page where you can manage all your saved contacts. It's the central hub for creating contact groups. Once the Contacts page has loaded, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll notice a section labeled Labels. Next to it is a plus icon, which is essential for the next step. Click on this icon to create a new group label. After clicking the plus icon, a prompt will ask you to type in a label name. This name will serve as the group identifier, so choose something descriptive and easy to remember like team or family. Once you've decided on a name, type it in and then proceed to click the save button to create your label. Now that your label is saved, it's time to add contacts to this group. Look through your list of contacts, and when you find a contact you want to add, hover over their name. You will see a checkbox appear beside their name. Click this box to select the contact. With your contacts selected, turn your attention to the top of the contact list where you'll find an icon that resembles a label. Clicking on this icon allows you to manage labels for your contacts. You will be presented with a list of available labels, including the one you just created. Go ahead and select the label you created earlier by checking the box next to it. Doing this assigns the selected contact to your new group. Finally, make sure to click Apply to save your changes. You can repeat this process for every contact you wish to include in your group. The final step is to use this group label in Gmail. Head back to your Gmail inbox and click on the Compose button to start a new email. In the To field of the email message, type the name of the label you created. Wait a moment and you'll see it appear in the drop-down list, allowing you to select it easily. Once you select the label, all the contacts included in that group label will be added as recipients. You're now ready to compose and send your group email. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create a group email in Gmail. This method streamlines the process of sending emails to multiple people, saving you both time and effort.